So you've attended my live workshops, you've also gone through the courses, YouTube videos, and in your web designing journey, I'm pretty sure you have some questions which have not been addressed yet. So this is your opportunity to join me on a live Q&A. This is a live Q&A where you can ask me anything, of course, web related. So I have a link to that in the video description below. You have to go in, sign up, and we're going to do this in 2 days time. So make sure you sign up and write all your questions down, and I will do my best to respond to all those questions. And again, I would like to say it has to be web related, okay? So we can't be going through different type of questions. It just needs to be web related. So I can't wait to do this live Q&A, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to help you a lot. And also, I have a launch on that day. So I will be talking about that launch. I'm going to huge discount. So make sure you join me on this live Q&A where you can ask me absolutely anything web related. All right, guys, see you soon. Take care.